It's been a while. It's been a long while. Hey guys, why am I clapping? Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been missing and been MIA for a bit, but I am Tanya Lupuana and this is my YouTube channel. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so those who know me know that I hate shaving. I honestly hate shaving, and unfortunately I am one of those people who grows hair on my face and stuff like that, and it's unfortunate, but it's there and we have to deal with it. So today I'm going to be trying to deal with my facial hair issue. Yeah, I hope that you guys do enjoy the video. Please stay tuned until the end. Please also like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay. Mwah. So I didn't mention this in my intro, but I will be using HairGo, which is a product that I got from Dis-chem. It's for, okay, so it says ready to use wax strips, eyebrow and lip for upper chin, cheek area and chin, and a brow shaper. Now it is my first time using this. I came across this product yesterday at Dis-chem and I was like, girl, I really need to actually groom my facial hair a little bit, so let's try this out. So it comes with wax strips. Yeah, okay. I've never used wax before. I've never waxed. I'm more of a plucking kind of girl. I always pluck shit, and when it comes to, you know, my little mustache there, I usually shave it, but I haven't for a while now because every single time I shave it, it just comes back worse. So I have left it for a while, and it's not cute, especially when I'm wearing makeup. Like, it's not cute. And then also inside there's the after wax wipes. Okay, it has mineral oil, mint oil, olive oil, oh, almond oil. Okay, so I haven't put anything on my face yet. I just washed my face and then just put some toner on it. So it says use scissors and carefully cut between the strips. I hope this is easy. I really hope this is easy, because if it is easy, then, you know, it's something that I can do from now on. And then it says warm up the strips by rubbing them between your hands for 20 to 30 seconds. Can't I just put this in the microwave? Okay, don't trust. Okay, so after rubbing it, you need to separate the two strips. Oh no. Separate the two strips and then put it somewhere. And then yeah. Okay, so I decided to put a bunch on at the same time because that whole thing of doing individually one takes a very long time. So I put a few together, and so I can do it all at once. Ooh. I'm hoping my skin doesn't tear off or something. Yeah. No worries, guys. Can I repeat it if it messes up here? It's not coming off. My face is now filled with all of this glue or whatever that wax is. Let me just go wipe this off and then start fresh. I'll be back. Okay, so the wax, I tried to wash it off with some soap and warm water and it's not coming off. So I'm gonna try to use this after wax wipes. Like, maybe it will take the wax off. Oh yeah, no, it's working. It's working. Okay, let me just put this aside. Grab some tissue. Yeah, no, it's off. It's off. It's off. Okay, it's cool. But it works though. No, it does work. It's just that it's difficult to get it all over all the hair. So now you have to use it like multiple times. But luckily there's like so many in the box. And each one strip actually counts as 2 strips. Putting like 2 together just to speed up the process. I'm trying to look for the part where they say whether you can put it in the microwave or not. Still here on my chin. Now this thing is not working anymore. I don't know if I'm not heating it enough. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna put in the microwave. Just like 10 seconds. Yo, I'm bleeding.
Jo.
There's like, okay, it's not like major bleeding, but yeah guys, this thing is not safe. Okay, so I put these in the microwave and I'm gonna try this on for the last time here on my chin. I'm quarter to giving up on this. Woo! Oh, that's a lot of hair. Oh shit, it took it like out of my roots. You can even see like the beginning of the hair. That's...
I can't show, bro.
Ah!
Oh no.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no, it took it out, eh?
Microwave.
Trust the microwave. Oh yeah, okay, so I did draw out the outline of my eyebrows just to make it easier to pluck out so I can see where I don't need the hair anymore. But this is difficult because I actually can't see what I'm doing. This, if my eyebrows go away then. Ooh, that's clean. That's so clean. Okay, there was really nothing there. Try it again. My problem with these things is that like once you rip off, you can't put it back down again and try to rip off. But this side turned out pretty cool. I like this. I'll just have to do one more for this side. And then do one more just for the top of my, what is this? Under my upper lip, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna call it a day. I think we did what we needed to do. Most of my hair is gone. For the first attempt, I think it went pretty okay. I think it went well. I'm just gonna use this this wipe of theirs just to wipe off the excess. So thank you guys for watching my channel. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you also took something from it. I don't know how much it costs to wax, but I think this probably would be cheaper because it's like 45 rand. So this could be a cheaper method than going to a salon if you're up for it. Like I said, it's HairGo that I got from Dis-chem. So if you want to try it out, definitely go and pick it up from Dis-chem. And it's sort of easy to use. I think it's sort of easy to use. I think my only con is the whole thing of having to warm it up by yourself for like 30 seconds. and it's difficult to do multiple of them at the same time. So if you are not afraid, you can put them in the microwave for like 10 seconds, and I think that would actually work out better. Another thing I'm actually concerned about is this thing. They only give you one of it, but it's quite big, so I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to cut it up into pieces and keep the rest of it for the next time. Yeah, otherwise my experience was not bad. I probably will try this again in like a few weeks, but I'm not quite sure if 100% this is gonna be my go-to for hair grooming, but let's just see how it goes. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you get rid of your facial hair. Let me know what your tricks are, and maybe we can try them out, or I can try them out, you know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.